Everyone, let's find out what's wrong with my used 2012 Fiat 500 Sport when I come back. Everyone, the Fiat 500 has been getting a lot of bad press lately. Actually, Fiat is discontinuing it. I'm not really worried about it because I have that car in my garage, the Jaguar XJR, that's been discontinued for a long time. That's a 2002 Jaguar XJR. It's an 18-year-old car. They don't make it anymore. It's really rare. In fact, if you go to cars.com, it's really hard to find the Jaguar XJR because people are keeping their Jaguar XJR. And I just bought the Fiat 500 Sport. And this car, in my previous video, I showed you, how the paint is peeling up here, and the TPMS sensor, probably goes bad because it keeps like showing the TPMS sensor, like indicator on the dashboard. My Porsche had the same problem, and we don't know yet, like mechanically, what's wrong with this car. But today I'm going to show you with my trusted MaxiCom MK808TS. This unit is really powerful. It's used by professional mechanics. I'm not a professional mechanic, but I love this car, scan tool. If you own cars, I encourage you to invest your money to get one of this because it will prevent you from getting ripped off, and it will pinpoint every problem that your car has. Actually, my Porsche mechanic told me to buy this. Hey EJ, you own a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, you better get this. And also I own a Jaguar, okay? And he said, look, if you want to save money, this is my Porsche mechanic, okay, who told me to get this. If you want to save money, get the MaxiCom MK808TS. And guess what? He is right, because now I know exactly what's wrong with all my car. For example, when I ran this yesterday, it shows that the right TPMS sensor, needs to be replaced. But mechanically, I don't know. So the thing is, you can't really trust every reviews out there. The Jaguar and the Porsche has been getting a lot of bad reviews. Like, I bought my Jaguar for $6,900, okay? And I've been driving it for 2 years and just fine. There are problems. It's an 18-year-old car. And this car is 8 years old. It's 2012, now it's 2020. So, yeah, you can't really trust every reviews, that's out there. Like the Corvette C8 2020, when it first came out, okay, the car magazine called it the car of the year. And guess what? Today, a lot of people reported a lot of problem with the hood popping up by itself, opening while they're driving it. The thing is, you can't just because somebody said a car is wonderful, right? You can't trust that 100%, And also, when somebody said this car is a piece of junk, you gotta ask yourself, do these people actually own it? Do these people actually drive it? When there is something wrong with the car, like my VWs, I'll tell you about it because I own them, right? With my Jag, this is that kind of review that you have to, listen, because we actually own the car. We drive it. We have the professional tool that we use to scan all the cars, Anyway, my daughter is here today. I'm so excited, and she's gonna help me. Let's find that out. What's wrong mechanically with this car? Come on, Brandon. Gonna let the girl in first. I love the MaxiCom MK808TS. The cool thing about this scan tool is the Bluetooth OBD2 port. That's right, the receiver right here. There's no cable, right? It's all controlled by this unit, and it will send like everything from the car computer to the scan tool. Okay, the cool thing about the Fiat 500, look at this thing. Show them, Brenna. The OBD port is just right there on your face. Yeah, this scan tool is amazing. Let's check it out. The Italian will say mamma mia. Look, anyway, yeah, so we're gonna connect this thing to the OBD2 port. Here we go. See? You see that, Brandon? Show them, Brandon. Now that the green light means that it's already connected to the car computer. So let's see what's wrong mechanically with this car. Okay. Okay. It's telling me to reboot the MaxiCom. The thing is, I just updated the computer recently. I mean, a couple minutes ago. Now it's like it's telling me, it's just like your phone. This thing is like your cell phone, right? Or your computer. Once you update it, you have to reboot it. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this thing is super powerful. Now it's initiating data. What you want to do with the MaxiCom, you got to go to diagnostic, and Fiat is right there. And I want to click automatic selection and the VIN number right there. If it's not detected, you have to enter it manually. In this case, I already did it. And then, is that 2012? Yes. Fiat 500, that's the VIN number. Click yes. Now it's gonna establish connection. It's just right now is loading the data. It's really cool. This thing actually connected to my house Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at it. Let me see. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. And we click diagnosis, auto scan. Here we go. Let it scan it. 15, 23. Oh, please, there's nothing wrong, please. 38, 46. Okay. Oh, what happened yesterday, I adjusted the tire pressure. So that's probably why it passes now. Oh, no fault. Well, everyone, so far there is no fault, okay? Some of you are already scared. Oh my God, there's something wrong with the car already. But this is why you need to invest in this thing. You know, mamma mia, you gotta get something. Especially when you have Italian car, when you have a British car and a German car, you gotta invest in this kind of tool. So yeah, it's so far there is nothing wrong with the car yet. And with reliability, you gotta listen to people who actually own the car, so they can tell you what's wrong with the car, if they like it or not, whether it's reliable or not. In this case, so far, right, that paint that is peeling up there, and the TPMS sensor is, you know, fixing itself, because yesterday I drained the tire, what do you call it, the air in the tire, and then I inflated back. I drive it, you know, a couple blocks, and it fixes itself. So, and if you watch my channel, yeah, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that EJ has been shopping for stuff, right? Guess what? Not only I have this, but I already bought the engine air filter for the Fiat 500. This is for the upcoming videos. The cabin air filter. The thing is, you gotta change your cabin air filter. I'm really excited that the Fiat 500 is using the same premium synthetic oil like my Jaguar XJR is the 5W30. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's a small car, and I've been shopping. Yes, I bought the engine oil filter, the oil, you know, engine air filter, cabin filter. I'm gonna make sure this car is now under the care of a responsible owner. That's right. Again, if you see people are whining, the thing is, we live in a negative world with a lot of whiners and complainers who don't even know how to maintain and take care of their car, right? All they do is complain, complain, complain. Look at Yelp. People don't really write positive reviews. It's very rare for people to say something positive. I used to work with a really negative boss, you know, who complained all the time, and then being around him is really hard because all he does was being negative, you know. I finally left that workplace and I feel a lot better now. The thing is, you don't want to be around negative people all the time. So anyway, yeah, you can't really trust a whiner or complainer or reviews from people who never own the car or drive the car, or people who never own this kind of device, you know. This device is being used by professional mechanics. Car Wizard using it, Scotty Kilmer is using it. If you go to your car shop, if they're professional mechanic, they will have this expensive scanning tool that will tell you exactly what's wrong with your car. So anyway, so far there is nothing wrong yet with this Fiat 500, but I will update you in the near future what's wrong with it. So what's wrong with the Fiat today? Nothing. So anyway, thank you very much guys for watching my video, and make sure check out my next video. I'm gonna do a lot of Fiat 500 maintenance video, like oil change, air filter change, cabin air filter, and etc. Okay, love you guys. Make sure to click the subscribe button. Bye.